Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ankush. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about how much package you can expect from the Hadoop development profile. See, this type of question is something based on the candidates to candidate. Like maybe one person is getting more package, one person is getting lower package. But I can tell you like how much the maximum package you can earn, or how is the demand of the Hadoop development profile nowadays, that I can tell you surely. From my experience, as well as there are many connections, LinkedIn connections, or maybe you can talk about my friends and those people who are working with me. When I'm looking to their package, I can see that around the world there is a high and very high demand is there for the Hadoop development profile. Because nowadays the technologies are getting changed and all of these technologies are based on the data. Data is really important nowadays. So we have understood the importance of data. If you are able to retrieve some importance data among all unnecessary data, it will be really helpful for you to increase the business. So this is the strategy nowadays all IT industries are taking, and from there now these different technologies are coming like big data, and in that we have a Hadoop development profile. So Hadoop development profile, if you are looking to start your career as a Hadoop development profile, you can expect a very good package. In terms of percentage, I have seen the people are also getting 200 to 300% hike also, that I have observed. With the lowest level of experience, maybe the person who is having 2 years of experience, you can't imagine that how much package he is gaining nowadays with this Hadoop development profile. So again, that is all depend upon your candidate to candidate, how is the demand, in which company you are going, and what is their expectation. If you are fulfilling your luck and everything is taking place at one time, definitely you can expect a very good package. So this is a time where you can start your profile with the Hadoop development also. Now what we need for the Hadoop development profile, as I said earlier, if you have some knowledge about the programming skill set, if you have a knowledge about the Unix operating system, if you have a knowledge about the SQL, definitely you can start your programming, definitely you can start your profile as a Hadoop developer. So how to start a career in the Hadoop development? First of all, what you can do, you can just read the blogs, YouTube channels. There are multiple YouTube channels are there, which is completely free of cost, and you can just learn about the Hadoop development. I'm not saying that you just need to follow my channels. There are multiple channels are there. You can just go there, subscribe, watch their video. It is completely free of cost. Apart from this, within a 400 rupees or 300 rupees, you can get a Udemy courses, which is again a powerful content. I see there are multiple instructors are there which will help you to gain and start your career as a Hadoop developer. If you want in-depth knowledge, then definitely you can go for the Hadoop development training also. But whenever you are going for any sort of training, my suggestion will be always like prepare yourself, gain some basic knowledge, and then you can ask the question to your instructor, what is happening over here. If you are just blindly go to the any database training or any Hadoop development training or any training you are talking about, then again I feel like somewhere you are missing. And nowadays all the trainings are happening online. You can see the recordings multiple times, you can watch it. There was a time where the people were thinking about the offline training, but I personally find like online training is good compared to the offline training. Offline training is good when till the duration. Let's say when you are in the class, you will understand it very easily, but once you leave the class, then what will happen? You don't have any recordings also. So due to this only, what happened, this platform like Udemy, Skillshare and other platforms are really powerful, and people are enrolling for that. So let's come back to the Hadoop development profile and about their packages. Don't worry about the package, you just start preparing yourself and gain this knowledge. You can expect a very good demand as well as lot of good opportunities are there. I'm getting a lot of calls for this Hadoop development profile. If you are just 2 years of experience and you just need to crack the interview and just start your career as a big data developer. If you start your career in this big data platform or Hadoop development platform, you don't need to worry for at least for 5 to 10 years. You will be there only, and you just need to learn the more and more things. Start learning for the Python also. This is really interesting. Python is having a huge demand in future, so you can also think about the Python and take any cloud platform. Maybe you can talk about the Google Cloud, AWS, Azure, which is completely free of cost for some duration. You can use that platform and start learning your things. So this is a time, this is a where a lot of people are free, not doing anything, COVID situation, and one or other day we need to come back to the office also. So utilize this time and start your career as a Hadoop developer, guys. If you have any question, queries, anything, just put it into the comment section. And if you are looking for training, let me know, guys. Thank you.